I think CNU's unique in this sense because the studio is open to non-music majors as well. Other places I've seen, they don't allow just anyone to use the studio. Usually it's a professor or a staff member, but here at CNU it's much more applied to the music technology degree, which allows them to really get more hands-on experience. In terms of mentorship, every student in music has a music advisor and they take lessons with someone that plays their instrument as a professional in the field. So it's not so much as students searching for a mentor or anything, it's more they're assigned a mentor that's a profession specifically with what they do. So I think that gives students a really good real-world experience, again, working with a musician who already has a musical career that's coming into CNU, but they also work in the Virginia Symphony Orchestra or something like that. I think if you like the arts and you like liberal learning, like the liberal learning curriculum where you have like a little piece of everything and you become kind of more well-rounded in everything, then CNU is a really good fit because you're gaining a lot of just knowledge, but you're still able to focus on something. You're able to get the applied skills you need for work experience, but you're also able to develop as a human and learn other things outside of your main focus.